Alrighty. I have no idea if anyone's watching this, but if you are, hello. My name is Michael, is wrong corner. As you can see in the corner there, Michael Lochnan. And today I am, soon to be accompanied by Shreya. You can see her little emoji in the corner there. And we're going to be working through week 1 of Bit Project's serverless Bitcamp curriculum. So, yeah, I think Shreya will be joining us shortly, but in the meantime, I've been instructed to just go ahead and get started. So, and apologies for my ineptitude at recording. GitHub, I'm going to be honest, I'm not super great at it. Oh, geez, my headphone wire has gotten tangled at the chair underneath me. We fix it, don't worry. So, task 1, create a new branch. Let's see. Do I need to be on? I know how to do it on the GitHub desktop, but that doesn't really work with this whole thing. Okay, hold on. Am I being, or creative? It's gonna be a long ride in it, folks. New branch. Get a new branch. Edit the README. My name, as you can see in the corner, is Michael Lochnan. Commit to changes to the repository. Pull request. New branch merge. Create pull request. Let's see. Then make pull request and merge the edits. Hi, Shreya.
Hi, I look so dead right now. We're just gonna ignore the fact that I just woke up. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. You just missed the extremely embarrassing moment of me having to Google how to make a new branch because I forgot it.
No, that's totally okay. Honestly, this is really good because there's gonna be a lot of students that don't know how to do that. And it's totally fine if you don't as well. But yeah, how are things going? Are you on the first step?
Well, just finished the first step, but yeah.
Nice.
Can I delete this branch? Am I allowed?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Downloading an IDE. Oh boy, I uninstalled Visual Studio Code I think a week ago to do Windows 10 so I can follow along properly here. Because I was having so much trouble installing it. I got rid of everything on my computer to make sure that it works properly.
Wow.
How do I install it? Windows. Did it download? It did download. Love to see it. All right. Choose an operating system, run the installer. So how are you doing, Shreya? I feel like this is going to be a bit of downtime, all of this.
Yeah, no, I'm doing great. This is so exciting, just like watching Visual Studio Code download on your computer. This is the
I know.
real.
Imagine how it feels for me. It's my computer.
Oh my gosh. How are classes going for you?
Um, they're going all right so far.
Yeah.
Had to put off a bunch of weekly homework to the end of the week because do I have Windows? Can I make a new folder? No. Okay, we're just installing it directly into the hard drive. What can go wrong? I had a midterm on Thursday, so I had to put off a bunch of week-long homework to Friday to block out time for studying.
Oh, okay. Shit. Yeah, I forgot
Requires
you're like
showers.
halfway through the semester. What's up?
Yep. Hi, Daniel. He's in the chat there.
Yo, Daniel, what's up? How's life?
Okay, extracting files.
GitHub.
So yeah, I guess to anybody watching, haven't really introduced who we are. I'll start. Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a something or other here at Bit Project.
Daniel's like, my name is Daniel. Hi.
Forgot to tell you what to screenshot. I have to screenshot stuff.
What should I screen? Oh, you don't have to screenshot
Okay.
stuff.
I
Yeah.
thought the workload's just getting bigger and bigger.
Now I have to screenshot stuff to add it. So if there's any part that's missing in these current steps, we can add that in.
Create and export a JavaScript function in a branch called week1 that returns hello world. All right, so I don't know JavaScript, but we'll take this one step at a time. Step one, I need to make a new branch called week1. I know how to do that thanks to our Google search a moment ago. And let's see, week1. That was the name, right? Yep, week1. Create branch. How do I export a function? To export it, add this line. Okay, wait, let's read this off from the top. To export it, add this line of code at the very bottom of your file outside your function. All right, JavaScript hello world. That feels like it's more complicated than it needs to be. There, that's the code, right?
Yep, that's perfect.
All right, so now I know we just downloaded Visual Studio, but I don't think I need to use Visual Studio for this, right? Can I just do it in? No.
You can just do it in there. You won't be able to test it in GitHub, but if
It's a hello world. Do I need to test it?
yeah, that's okay. You can go ahead and do it here.
Create new file. Doesn't matter what I call it. No. Hello. That's not how you spell hello. Hello world. Console.log. Hello world.
Yeah. This cabin, the good part about it is that it will test it for you itself. So this should actually be good.
All right.
Yay.
Let's see. What is that? Make sure to export. Oh, that's what the name of it needs to be. Whoops. No, not hello.
World. You still need the .js extension.
JS, okay.
Awesome.
Is that it? Is that what I need to do? Something's going on downstairs. I'm not sure what.
You have the green check marks. I think you should be fine. Try reloading this page.
Make sure you export the function and commit hello world.js to the root directory. Where did
you say that?
Where'd it go? It was right there.
It
What?
was right there. Oh, this is main. This is main. Go to
Oh,
week
that would
one.
do it. Mm-hmm.
Oh, so do you see the red cross over there? Click on the red cross. No, yeah. Let's see what it says. Oh, you know what we should add? We should tell the students a little bit more about how this red cross system works.
I know generally how
this
this testing stuff works, but let's see. Got hello world was expecting test output.
That's probably not you. Can you do me a quick favor? Go back into the .bit file, folder.
The .bit folder.
Go in here, go in tests, and then go to Hello World. Does it? No, the test output is Hello World. Did you write Hello World exactly like it says right there with the capital H, capital W?
One way to find out. Looks
Yes,
like it.
You did. Can you try double quotes real quick for me?
Yeah, sure.
Function console log hello world.
Might have been it.
Hello.
Yeah, look, the misfit's green. It didn't register as an end of phrase or something. It's odd.
Yeah.
Commit changes, that should do it actually. I think that'll maybe.
Go back and see if you got the green check mark. Oh,
well, it's running. Any second now.
So we need to add descriptions on how the testing system
I did not. Create the file hello. Well, yep, if you haven't.
It's still red?
Yep. It said, okay, create the file. If you have it wanted me to do this all on my computer. Does that make a difference?
Does it ask you to make a pull request?
It does not. It just says.
It just asks you to commit it?
The new branch week 1 to move on. I don't suppose it did anything on this side. No.
Yeah, let's try doing it through your computer, because...
Okay, well, I'll delete this.
Hello world.js. The function name and everything was exactly how it said, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right. Visual Studio. Pick a theme. Dark.
Dark, yeah.
Next, code in any language. Next. 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 Do I need to do all these? I don't think so. New file. How do I rename it? Save as hello world.js.
Do you want to do like the whole git clone stuff as well? How are you gonna commit this file?
I didn't want to have to deal with GitHub Desktop because I might have uninstalled GitHub Desktop.
Just go into terminal real quick and go into whichever folder you want to. At the top, just type in, you don't have to do it here. Close this terminal out, and then on VS Code where it says Like file, edit, selection, view, go, run, click terminal, new terminal.
Oh,
Yeah. And then go into the folder, like CD into whichever folder you want to save.
it seems that it's already in it.
There.
I'm
Okay.
fine with
And
just
then
saving in default.
just do git clone and then copy the link to that, the thing that this is in.
Well, let's not have it in the serverless issues. Let's just have it in serverless, right?
Mhm.
Or week 1, our branch.
Mhm.
Right.
Okay, click enter. Oh wait, go back into GitHub real quick. You know where it says code, like that green button?
Yeah.
Yeah, click that and copy that link. Okay, cool.
Ta-da.
Perfect. And then, yeah, I guess you can just save this file in there.
And what do we have it as? Let's see.
That's so weird. All you had to do was add a console. Oh, woo. Oh, interesting. You know what? I think instead of console logging, you might have had to return it. Does it say anything about returning stuff in there? Does it say if it wants you to print it or return it?
Returns.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the issue. Okay, cool.
So I didn't need to do any of this.
No, but you did it now, so it's fine. You would need that for it to work.
Return. I don't actually know how JavaScript does this, but I'm gonna go out on a limb and assume that works.
It should work, yeah.
Okay. Save. And how do I push this?
Do git branch to check which branch you're in. Not a GitHub repository. Why not?
Maybe because I just did this into the void of my desktop.
And then CD into into whichever folder you want to put this in. You might have to manually move hello world.js into. Or just do mv, I think mv is the command, mv hello world.js, and then the name of the folder that you just cloned. Which should be like serverless or something.
Serverless, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then CD into serverless. Okay, and just ls real quick to make sure that the hello world is there. Yeah, okay, cool. Issue now is this is in the main branch, but for just commit it and see what happens.
How do
commit?
Okay.
Oh, sorry, git add, yeah. JS git commit -m. You want to put a space between commit and dash. And then put double quotes and write a little message about what you're committing. All right, cool. Enter and then git push.
We have my login here.
Yeah.
Boxing myself live on. Let's see if you can see my password. No, we're okay.
No, I'm gonna remove that from the screen.
Allow, continue, authorize. Success. Open.
Okay, did it fix the issue on GitHub?
Refresh. Well, it's on main, but
It should also be. Is it not in week 1 at all?
it is not.
Okay, let's make another.
Should I make a new branch called week 1?
Go back into your terminal. We can make a new branch over there. And wait, how do you get branch real quick again? I want to see which branches there are. Does it have week 1 at all? Okay, yeah. You can do get checkout -b and then quotes and then week 1. Okay, and then do just like get pull and then the same stuff that you did for the commits. So like get add dot.
Please specify which branch you want to merge with.
Just do if you wish to.
Sorry.
Get pull. And then the name of the remote branch and the name of the current local branch. So you can just do main and then week 1. Does that work? No. Can you try Googling this error to see what is up?
Does it have to be Michael Lockman /serverless or something like that?
Oh, do you have to use the URL? No, that shouldn't be an issue.
Here, wait. I have a proposed solution to this. Call me crazy, but
okay. And you're just gonna
add file, create new file. Hello world.js. Return hello world.
perfect.
Commit new file. Would you look at that?
Yeah, we got this.
Let's see. So what is Azure? Azure is an ever-expanding set of cloud services to help your organization meet your business challenges. It's the freedom to build, manage, and deploy applications on a massive global network using your favorite tools and frameworks. How do I create an account? Press Start free. Okay, looks like do I need to do that? Yeah, sure. I suppose we should not share this, but...
Oh, I'll remove your screen from the thing. We're going to end up adding screenshots from your screen into the actual curriculum, but we will like blur out any information that you don't want.
Yeah.
Do, 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 do. Michael, what type of music are you into?
I like a lot of different kinds of music. I don't know. I play piano, so I do a lot of classical stuff, but
Ooh.
I don't want to be one of those guys that says, "Oh, I'm into classical music."
With your fancy hat and everything.
Oh, jeez. That's probably. Be right back. I need to go grab my wallet.
As you should during
It's right over
a
there.
text
This will
stream.
take
Take your
10
time, take your time.
seconds.
Don't worry. I'm gonna chill by myself over here. Ah, it's such a lazy weekend. Yay, you
10
got it.
seconds, what I tell you.
That was so quick. That wasn't even 10 seconds. That was a whole record.
All right. Entered my security code. Oh, what? Oh, this is the wrong card. That would explain it. That's the right one. The expiry date is that. I'm not going to say it on live stream because that seems like a bad idea.
Yes, some random numbers that are just like, we don't need to know.
What about you, Treya? What kind of music do you like?
I have like zero actual like unique taste in music, so I'll just listen to whatever's popular in general that's American or Korean. But I take pride in my lack of taste for some reason.
That's something.
Yeah. I'm gonna be streaming with a bunch of people this weekend. It's gonna be fun.
Oh,
Ooh, I'm gonna
boy.
be streaming with Cole. We're gonna make games. Do you want to join us?
Ooh, what time is it?
I think it's tonight at 8 p.m., 8 to 10 PST, which is kind of late for you, but you can
Yeah,
join for like,
that's
yeah.
11 to 1 in the morning for me.
Yeah,
So
never
I will
mind.
probably pass.
I will schedule one with you maybe like next weekend then, and like slightly better timing.
Seems fun. What kind of games are you guys making?
Last week we did like a rip-off clone of Flappy Bird, and then this week we said we're gonna do Among Us, but we have no idea how to do it. So it's gonna be a lot of us just like zoning out and Googling stuff and being like, how the fuck do you make this happen?
Hey, we're on camera.
How the fudge do you make this happen?
All right. Well, I've signed up for the thing, so
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna screen your share.
Oh, no.
Share your screen. Ah!
I kept trying to add myself. All right. Let's see. Create and deploy an HTTP trigger Azure function that outputs the current time and date. Oh boy, I have no clue how to do this.
Perfect. You shouldn't know how to do this, so we can actually test if our curriculum makes sense.
Follow the directions in this link. This is the link. Okay, C#. That's almost C/C++, which is
Yeah.
/Java, which I know. So we're chilling.
We're chilling. You got this.
Let's see. Oh wait, do I need? Wait, hold on. This isn't.
Code and test.
This isn't a tutorial. It just tells me I need to download this. Oh, create your first function using Visual Studio Code. Is that what I need to do? Yeah. All right. Well, looks like I need this thing.
Okay. Let's do it.
Open Visual Studio Code. Installing. Installed. Wow, that was fast. All right. Create a C# function in Azure. Is it Azure or Azure?
I think it's Azure.
Azure. Oh, wow. I had two different ones and I was wrong on both of them.
You're totally fine.
I was going off of what I'd heard other people say.
I think I've heard like a lot of different pronunciations.
Azure.
Azure. Using Visual Studio Code. Cool.
I have that.
Mm-hmm.
Do I need this? Ugh. Look how many tabs. I'm going to clean up tabs right now. think I need that one. I am a fiend for keeping my tabs well organized. I see so many people. There's 50 million down the top. Let's see. Oh wait, let's make sure we have. Okay, I need this. Here, well, this is down. I'm not a I guess I am a music person if I play piano, but
Yeah, you kind of are a music person.
but I'm a movie person. I like movies.
What type of movies do you like?
Lots of different kinds. Relatively recently got into collecting kind of physical media, Blu-rays and DVDs and such.
Mm-hmm.
Because yeah, sure, Microsoft can make changes to my machine. I used to collect, right? I collected Pokemon cards, right?
Mm-hmm.
But recently the prices have skyrocketed because COVID has reduced supply, and then a bunch of YouTubers and stuff have started doing it. So everyone is, running down to your local Walmart, literally just pulling everything off the shelf and then listing it on eBay for twice the price.
Dude, that sucks.
But,
I
yeah,
mean, good for them, they're making money, but like that sucks for everyone else.
so I am currently I'm currently in the process of transferring. Is that finished? Has it downloaded? Do I just need to? Okay, Visual Studio Code, C# extension. I don't think I have that actually. I'm currently in the process of transferring all my disks and stuff over to digital. So I'm ripping them all and putting them in a hard drive so I can bring them to college. Currently transferring my entire Twin Peaks collection.
Damn. What's the Twin Peaks collection?
Twin Peaks, it's a TV show / well, this one's a movie that's there.
Wait, I didn't see it. Oh, cool.
Twin Peaks Fire Walk With Me is the name.
Oh, that's kind of cool. What is it about?
It's a murder mystery that gets very odd as things progress.
Oh my god. Is it on Netflix or no?
The first 2 seasons are.
Ooh, I want to watch it.
I would highly recommend.
Yeah.
All right, I have all of these. So create your local project. Oh geez. I have 2 monitors, but for the sake of the live stream, I'm only gonna show one of them, and we'll all do it on one. Choose the. Excuse me. Oh, there it is. Create a new project. Yeah, sure. I can just. I guess I should probably make a new thing, shouldn't I? New folder, Azure. Select a language, C#. You must have the. I did. I did. Okay. Let's see. What did I forget? Nothing, but apparently I still did it wrong. SDK, I think, is the right one to download. We'll figure it out. Okay, for downloading manually. Is it? There it is. Install.
such a mood.
I know. Oh no, I lost my Chrome tab. Yeah, I got it back.
I'm gonna let you entertain the masses. That is the one person that's watching the stream while I go get some breakfast, but I'll be back.
All right. I've removed Shreya from the stream. Oh, that's not related to this. Whoops. Oh, I need to stop my camera for a second. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. Okay. New project. Where's Azure go? I made a folder and everything. There it is. Select C#. I just installed that. What are you talking about? That wasn't Net Core, was it? No, it wasn't. Okay. Redo, part 2. So to the one person who may or may not just be, I assume, Shreya having the tab open. If you are somebody watching, feel free to make your presence known, say something in the chat. How you doing? My movie process thing is taking a while. Oh, coding with Cole. Hey, there you are, buddy. We've got one. Cole, is that the same Cole that I'm thinking of when I think Cole in relation to Bit Project? I haven't seen your Twitch account. I don't know what your username is. Okay. Hey, Cole, how you doing? Oh, somebody just had a loud sneeze downstairs. Okay. Take 3, perhaps. What? It is installed. What do you want from me? I just installed you. Okay, we're gonna reboot this. Yeah. You and Trey are both late risers. All right. Create a new project. Azure. C#. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting to the end. No time for losers, because we are the champions. Okay. Okay. HTTP trigger is the kind that we're looking for here. Sure. My dot functions. Authorization level anonymous. And let's add to workspace. Okay, do I need any of these open anymore? I don't think so. All right, back to a healthy 2 tabs. Oh, why is everything going wrong? I touched nothing. Whatever. To call your function, press F5 to start the function app project. Well, that seemed to do something. Oh, geez. It's blocked some features. We'll allow them. So many things are happening. Okay, is that it? Here, to call your function, your app starts in the terminal panel. You'll see the URL endpoint running locally. That's that. Is that relevant? I'll copy it just in case. The core tools running, go to the Azure Functions area. Under Functions, expand Local Project Functions. Right-click and choose Execute Function now. Enter. Response. What was the response? I need to full screen this. Oh, that didn't. Oh, okay, there we go. Neat. Control C to stop the core tools and disconnect the debugger. Okay, well, where do we go from here? Does it get to outputs the current time and date? We haven't done that yet. Am I going to need to do something like that? Is time and date a thing? I don't know. I'll hope that it gets to it. Oh, come on, give me a proper half. No. There we go. I have a headache. Jeez. All right, if you aren't already signed in, Azure Functions, sign into Azure. That's my account. Let's see, now what do we need to do? We need to deploy to function app. There's the button. Nlockman test function. Sure. Select a location. East US, that's where I am. Well, while we're waiting, Nice weather we're having, huh? So this Twin Peaks Fire Walk with me, right? It's a really nice addition. It's Criterion Collection. They make a bunch of fancy movies, kind of stuff. It's cardboard. It feels fancy, even though, I don't know, is that cheaper than plastic? I don't know. But I prefer, smaller carbon footprints or whatever. And then we've got a nice little fold-out book here with a bunch of imagery that's relevant to the movie. I won't spoil now. Movie/TV show. More stuff. We've got nice little, it's really hard, everything mirrored. This little kind of fold out here at the image from the movie. We've got a book here. It's filled with a whole bunch of extras, interviews with the directors, cool images. I won't show that. The movie's rated R. Okay, yeah, maybe not. There's a nice image. It's Special Agent Dale Cooper, our main protagonist of the TV show, but not of this movie. So yeah, it's pretty neato. The comparison, the actual TV series collection I've got here. I'm not going to hold it up right because one of the discs is not watched in properly because I'm in the process of scanning them all. It's pretty much nothing but the discs. They're a cool shade of blue. And that's about it. A lot of discs here. There's 16 of them. And on the other side, we've got the aforementioned Special Agent Dale Cooper. Great series. Would heartily recommend. And on that note, no, there we go. It does seem as though it's finished. View output. Your new function app functions. Execute function now. Oh, light doesn't seem to work. Well, that's awkward, huh? Well, none of that really matters because the bit that's relevant is that I need to output the current date and time. So I need to figure out how to output the current date and time. I kind of know C#. I don't super know C#. Here. I have ingenuity. So we're going to try and figure this out. Okay. Current date and time are will this work? But is it worth a shot? Let's double check. How do I test this? I don't remember. Run the function locally. Press F5. Let all that stuff get ready. I'm a genius. I am a genius. Wait, would it be the current date and time are, or the current date and time is? The current date and time. Because it's a singular date and time unit, but that unit comprises two things. The current date and time is, the current date and time are. I need answers. The current date and time is versus are. Is would be a better option. Okay. Now we need to figure out how to get all this going. Okay, we need to publish the project again. Create a new function app. More than 8 time. At Core 3.1. Select an OS. Windows. Consumption, I guess. I don't really know what all these things mean, but see now it's, oh wait, we're already at 4 out of 4. Maybe this time I don't need to walk you, the singular viewer, Cole, through my nearest obscure item that I'm interfacing with. Oh no, this is taking a while, isn't it? I have a headache. All right, but once this happens, it's doing a whole bunch of stuff.
Was how are things going?
Pretty okay. I've been bumbling my way around Azure Functions. I somehow, by some miracle, figured out how to make one that displays the date and time. Because that was not gone over. I just kind of had to figure it out. It was easy. There's a date and time function. Can I show it here? The current date and time is plus date time.now. I know. Crazy.
Crazy.
Now I need to figure out. I have the thing and I just uploaded it.
Are you doing this in C#? Nice. Okay.
Yeah. Because my internship that I'm going to be doing this summer, it's in C#. So I'm going. So they said that I don't need to do any prep for it, but still, I feel like it's a better idea to know it than not.
Yeah, that's so cool. Awesome.
So how do I find the function URL? Copy function URL, that does it. In a repository secret, why do programmers have to use the naming conventions that they use? Why is it a secret?
I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory.
No, it's not. I have no idea what that means in this context.
It's something you don't want other people to find out.
So call it a private function or something.
What step are we on right now?
3.
Okay, cool.
How many steps are there?
In the first one, I think there's 5. And
okay.
Step 4 is just give us your feedback.
All right, because if it turned out there were a dozen or something, and this was expected to be done in an hour.
No.
Okay.
Wait.
On GitHub, navigate to the main page. Here's the main page. Under the repository name, I'm clicking to the wrong thing. Click Settings. Is that it? No. Settings. Secrets. Dumb name. New repository secret. HTTP endpoint. And then I just paste that link in there. Localhost, hold on. Shouldn't it have a real thing, considering I just uploaded it? I just uploaded this to the cloud or whatever. How do I get the real URL?
It should be on the cloud. Is it there?
On the cloud? I don't know what that means.
Wait, that's fine. What did you do? Can you run me what you did real quickly?
I made the thingy, and then I clicked this deploy to function app. And then I had a bunch of things that I could do, kind of parameters that I filled in. I filled them in, then it uploaded it, I think.
And it gave you the localhost link?
Yeah.
Okay. And does it I actually did not do this. This is interesting.
I can do this again, see if it... But as in, if this works properly, clicking copy function URL should have just given me the proper URL, right?
I mean, you're doing it from your computer, so it makes sense if it's giving you a localhost link, but that's not gonna work on your GitHub.
I figured. Microsoft Azure. my account. Go to the portal. App services, perhaps. Mm-hmm.
It says right in your local machine, so I think that should be fine.
Oh, you think
Yeah.
that one will be fine?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll just message Emily real quick and make sure.
Make sure to commit the code to the week 1 branch. Oh, should I have done that in week 1?
Yeah.
Secrets. Remove. Yes, remove the secret. Code. Week 1. Number 15. New repository secret. HTTP. Endpoint. Localhost. Add secret. Code. Well, hold on. I was just in week 1. Settings. Let's take a double check here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's in week 1. To move on, remember to commit your code to the week 1 branch. There's nothing to commit, is there? I add the secret. What else am I meant to do?
Do you need to add the files that you just did in your VS Code? Or no?
I have no idea.
For now, let's just commit like a blank file and see what happens. We're looking at week 1, step 3.
Add file, create new file. I'm just gonna add this one just to HTTP trigger C#1. No, I have caps lock on. HTTP C# trigger. HTTP trigger C#1.
Oh, so it will just check to make sure you have the endpoint secret. I don't know what you're supposed to commit.
Well, I've committed a thing.
Does it have the green check mark? Okay, it's checking.
Seems to have liked it. So perhaps feedback.
Yay!
All
We're
right.
like so close to done. Yeah.
Comment your feedback, as in right here. Okay. Some of these steps were totally unintuitive. Although I'm sure how much to me doing this without an explicit teacher. The step 3 commit process moving on was unintuitive. There was no direction given for how to actually make the a plus time function, although I'm not sure if that would be necessary for a student who, unlike me, actually knows the language they are writing the function in. Maybe include a hint or two. Overall take away. Good course structure. I feel as though some of the important setup steps are glossed over. All right.
Can you add the 2 points about like the local host thing as well and the final commit?
The final commit I had up here, the
Perfect.
step 3 commit process for moving on was intuitive. Intuitive. The fact that an arbitrary commit was necessary at all, and whether or not a local host URL or a explicit server function URL is necessary. Turned the local host was good enough. I had to take a shot in the dark there. I'll make this grammatically correct. Was to, let's say, follow. Yep. And then can I close this or?
Does it say close or does it just say comment? I think just comment it.
If you haven't watched, just close this issue and comment it. We will pretend that I've watched it though, and I will do this. All right, week 1, step 5. So what am I doing here? Is that just it?
I think that's just it. That's, yeah.
Done.
It's done. Look at that. Wow.
Woohoo.
Ooh, awesome. How was your experience so far, Michael?
I know more about Azure functions than I did going into it, so that's neat. Something I could, at the end of all this, I can put proficient with Azure functions on my resume. I'll be a jack of all trades. As for my actual specific thoughts on this week, you saw what I typed there. I think the actual amount of content and stuff like that is fine. You know, as we can see, it ended up being almost exactly an hour, which is perfect. But I'm personally not a fan of how much of that was me kind of blindly meandering about and kind of troubleshooting on my own. I suppose with a teacher, that wouldn't be as much of an issue, but isn't things like, let's see. This step 3, this was a 30+ minute thing. And there was 3 lines of direction.
Okay.
I think that if there's a teacher, the teacher needs to verbally elaborate on this.
Yeah.
If there isn't a teacher, then there needs to be a lot more written. Handhold people through this process.
Mhm.
Never never underestimate how much a person can struggle with something, you know?
Yeah, for sure. I think they do cover like some of the Azure stuff in the live stream, so assuming that they do, I haven't seen it, but assuming that they do, then it should be a little bit better. But there definitely are going to be some kids that don't watch the live stream that are doing it in their own time, so we should probably add a little bit more instruction in that stuff.
Yeah. Besides that, though,
We're
seems
done
pretty
with week
decent.
1. Awesome. We'll probably be back with week 2 next week. Hopefully next week. We'll see.
That's
I'll update
generally
you
how
about
weeks
that.
progress, yeah.
Yeah. I think they're just finalizing some of the content in there, so I'm not sure when exactly it'll be done, but I will let you know when that is. And then we'll be back.
Alrighty.
That's it for today. Have a great day, Michael.
All right, thanks. See ya.